Hello ladies and gentlemen and welcome to Main Street News. Logan Paul withdraws lawsuit threat over crypto scam documentary. Controversial YouTube influencer Logan Paul is once again in the news over his crypto project CryptoZoo. This time, he has taken back his threats to sue internet detective Stephen CoffeeZilla Findason. CoffeeZilla had produced and released a 3-part documentary that highlighted Paul's CryptoZoo project and labeled it as a scam. In response, Paul released a video in which he threatened to sue CoffeeZilla. However, Paul has deleted the tweet since then, and according to CoffeeZilla, also promised not to file a defamation lawsuit. CoffeeZilla tweeted, "Logan called me. He said he's deleting the 2 responses and is dropping the lawsuit threats. I believe he's making a 3rd response, which I'll be delaying my video to include. Hopefully, this time he takes accountability and refunds the victims of CryptoZoo. That's what matters." Nepalese ISPs ordered to block crypto websites. Internet service providers in Nepal have received instruction from the country's telecommunications regulator to block access to all cryptocurrency trading websites. Those who fail to comply with instruction have been threatened by legal action. The Nepal Telecommunication Authority issued a notice to all ISPs and email service providers, which orders them to prevent access to websites, apps, or online networks related to any cryptocurrency activities, according to reports by Cointelegraph. This NFT solves a problem that a $100 billion diamond industry can't. In the diamond industry, there are factors in how the diamond is graded that make the most enormous amount of difference. Suppose you have a pink diamond that is worth 130k per carat. You would be in the money, but if your diamond were red, the change in value, 4.5 million per carat, would be life-changing. So could the color be upgraded in order to benefit from the huge change in value? You might think that a color is the color, but in the diamond industry today, anything appears to be possible. To begin with, who decides the color anyway? This isn't something your average consumer can evaluate. To grade a diamond requires training and specialist equipment. Several companies offer professional diamond certification services. The certificate lists all the diamond's natural attributes, and therefore, the paper certificate is needed in order to establish the trust that is recognized across the industry. Argentine crypto bill encourages citizens to disclose holdings. Argentines may soon be motivated to reveal their crypto holdings through tax incentives. Argentina's Ministry of Economy, the economic policy manager of the country, has introduced a new crypto bill aimed at addressing money laundering and encourages its citizens to reveal their crypto holdings by incentivizing them with lower tax rates, according to local news reports. The externalization of Argentine savings draft law is aimed at fighting money laundering and was introduced by economy minister Sergio Massa. Samsung will launch Bitcoin futures ETF on Hong Kong stock market. Samsung Asset Manager Hong Kong, a subsidiary of Samsung Asset Management, designed the ETF to track the spot price of Bitcoin by investing in Bitcoin futures products listed on Chicago Mercantile Exchange. The ETF will mainly invest in the CME Bitcoin futures, with a small portion of investments in the CME Micro Bitcoin futures. Logan Paul unveils 1.5 million CryptoZoo recovery plan. YouTuber Logan Paul has unveiled a 1.5 million recovery plan for the people who invested in his beleaguered non-fungible token project CryptoZoo, announcing the move in a video shared via Twitter on January 13. Paul reiterated that he's no longer looking to sue fellow YouTuber CoffeeZilla for defamation over accusations he made in a critical series of videos on Paul's NFT project. "I didn't steal funds or stash away billions," said Bankman-Fried. The former CEO of FTX has claimed that he did not steal any money or have billions stashed away. He made the claims in a blog post published a month after his arrest by authorities on charge of fraud. Federal prosecutors have stated that Bankman-Fried and his associates stole billions of dollars from FTX users to pay the debts of Alameda Research, a crypto-based hedge fund, and FTX sister concern. Prosecutors also alleged the customer funds were used to purchase real estate and donate to various US political campaigns. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you very soon.